Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. The 2022 Lexus LX 600 F Sport won with the SEMA audience last year as it celebrated the much anticipated redesign of the Lexus flagship SUV and showcased the first ever F Sport grade for the model. This year, Lexus has reimagined the 2022 Lexus LX 600 F Sport with an attainable aftermarket build for the sophisticated urban traveler. While the LX 600 F Sport has the undeniable capability required for any off-road adventure, this street-friendly build by Annex Marketing incorporates more practical components for daily use with a lower, lighter, more grounded look achieved by a custom Artisan Spirits multi-piece body kit with a color match paint and exposed carbon fiber. Head-turning styling element complete the look with the HRE 540 series wheel with the satin bronze center finish and gloss black outer, custom Artisan Spirit black label titanium exhaust, and complementary Gloss Black Brembo B-M8 brakes.